Fine, this is the sixth problem. Let us solve. Mansi takes 1/4 or 1/4 of hour to walk to the playground and 1/3 hour to walk from the playground to school. How much time does it take to walk to the playground and then to school? So here we need to add. So adding of the fractions, right? Adding of the fractions, right? It's very simple one. You need to add this 1/4 and as well as 1/3 so that you will get the answer, right? So adding of fraction, right? Let us check out here. Mansi take 1/4 of hour to walk to the playground and 1/3 hour to walk from the playground to school. How much time does it take her to walk to the playground and then to school? So total we need to find it here. That is nothing but total time taken by Mansi to reach to the school via playground is going to be 1/4 plus 1/3. Now, right. So as the denominator has a different value, we need to take the LCM of it. So the LCM of LCM, that is LCM means what? A lowest common multiple of 4 and 3. Let us check out 4 and 3, right? Both are not what? This is possible to divide. So what we can do here is, right, 4 and 3 is going to be the LCM, that is 4 3s are 12 is going to be the LCM, right? 12, right? Now, so divide 12 by 4, 4 3s are 12, right? So that is going to be 3s are into multiply with. So this 1, right? You need to multiply with the numerator plus divide 12 by 3, that is 12 by 3 is going to be 4 into 1, which is nothing but 3 1s are 3 plus 4 1s are 4 by 12. Now add it here, add the numerator, that is 4 plus 3 7 by 12. So total time taken to reach the school via playground by Mansi is going to be 7 by 12 hour. Option D is the right. So here this 4 and 3 is not going to be divisible by each other. This is co-prime each other, right? So you can directly multiply. That is going to be the LCM.